Hello guys and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video because the Bitcoin price is right now breaking out. And my first few words that I want to say is that this is of course potentially the beginning of a bigger move because we're breaking above key resistance. I was talking about earlier today that there's big the VPVR has big support and resistance, a big cluster, and today we actually right now with this pump we're breaking above that resistance. And I think the next big resistance was 52k approximately. But what I want to do now, because I'm right now with a bunch of YouTubers here, many of them. Look, this is crazy. I could even start maybe at the very end here. Look at this. That Martini guy.
Yes, I'm here, so.
He's right there. So I would like to ask you, what are your thoughts about this Bitcoin pump that we're seeing right now?
I think it's great news. I'm concerned about the CME gap because it appears that actually Labor Day in the USA is not a day off for cryptocurrency. The CME exchange is not a day off for them. It's going to start trading. So basically, overnight, I'm expecting Bitcoin's price to possibly drop down, close the CME gap at $50,200, and then hopefully bounce off $50,200 to the upside, and then we have a great evening. That's what I'm hoping for.
That sounds nice. Well, we're walking in the streets of London here, and if Bitcoin keeps pumping, we might buy a Bugatti, right?
Yes.
One each.
Yes, definitely.
That's nice. Okay, Jack, Crypto Jack, do you have any thoughts about the Bitcoin price?
I think we're at an extremely nice level right now, and if we can in fact break the previous all-time highs, or even in the levels we are at right now, above 50k, there's not really so much volume traded in this region, so
Exactly.
it's very susceptible to very big breakouts.
Yeah.
And I think in the next few weeks or months we could see like a complete explosion in the Bitcoin price, and we all want to see 100k Bitcoin, and I think maybe it's going to be even closer than we actually think. Yeah. What do you think?
I agree with you that right now there's not much volume traded above 50k, so we could easily go up to
Very quickly as well.
very quickly to like 52, 53, but even up to all-time high we could go very quickly because there's not much resistance.
Exciting times.
Very exciting. And you know what? Let's introduce a new face here. AM Crypto.
Yes.
What are your thoughts about the Bitcoin price right now?
Yes, hi guys. So I believe that we might break here the key resistance level, which is at $52,800 approximately. And when we are breaking this key resistance level, then there is basically nothing stopping Bitcoin to go here to a new all-time high, and touching at least the previous all-time high. I disagree a little bit with the Martini guy. I believe that the CME gap will not be filled. Because we have seen this already. The last time we went to 64,000, we created a gap at $49,000 to $50,000. That gap got also not filled and was disregarded until we actually came back down from the all-time high. And I think we could see exactly the same thing happening once again.
All right. And Da Vinci.
Yes,
The
well,
most famous of us all.
thank you very much. Appreciate that, man. Honestly, I think Bitcoin is it's consolidating here for a very big run. We're going to see something very spectacular. The Federal Reserve is printing 25% more currency every year. This is going to continue on for a very long time. They're going to actually print us to oblivion at this point, unless they can come up with some other alien that could buy the debt. And so basically businesses, corporations, they're all going to be looking for a way to protect their wealth. They're going to come to Bitcoin in a major way. And this is why I see Bitcoin, rocketing to $1.2 million very soon.
And
now,
this
in
pump
the short
right
term,
now,
in the pump right now.
1.2
Yes.
on this pump.
Yeah, not on this pump.
I'd be shocked by
1.2
that.
million by next week.
Yeah, next week, yes. But in the short term, right, we're going to see Bitcoin, as long as it could break through the 61.8, which is at $51,000, and we break into the above the 78.6, which is at $57,000, then we're going to see movements really fast in the next 3 months.
Yeah, so you think the all-time high will be reached within the next 2 weeks, or what do you think?
I really think that we're going to see the all-time high by end of September for sure.
End of September. So within 30 days, you think all-time high?
Yes.
I agree.
I think it's very, very possible. Very possible. You think so too, right?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, I think we all agree that it's definitely possible, but how likely is it? Da Vinci, what's the percentage, between 100%?
Well, we have to. I have to say that once we pass the 78.6, the percentage chance that the likelihood will be like at 70 to 80%. But we have to get to past $57,000.
All right, guys. So if you enjoy these YouTubers' predictions, please leave a thumbs up down below. Actually, it is my birthday, guys. And
Happy birthday, Carl!
And earlier today, I made a video, and thank you guys for. I think I got like 15,000 likes.
Oh wow!
Because it's my birthday. So thank you. That was incredibly generous of you guys. Let's see if we can reach another 10,000 on this video. And now that we're are we 5 YouTubers? Yeah, I think 5 YouTubers.
Yeah, we are 5.
So you should take that times 5. So let's say 50,000 likes, guys. 50,000 likes. I think we can do it. I mean, if we combine all these audiences, right? All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and the links down below as always. And if you want to watch my tutorial popping up right there, click it right now, and I'll see you guys up there. Bye.